How you can change the font in CapCut PC. First you need to click on the text icon on the top menu bar and then click the plus icon and type the desired text on the right side, and in the text tab you will see that some basics tab, and after that you need to click on the font. Click on this drop down menu and you will see that there are two options. First is the all and second is the commercial. When click on the commercial, these fonts are used for the commercial purpose. If you want to download it, you need to click this arrow. It will take some time to download, and here is the font size change. Okay, click on all and you will see there are multiple presets of fonts in the all section. The font you like, you just need to click on this arrow and download it, and then click on it. You will see that the font is changed. Moreover, you can also increase or decrease the font size through this slider. Make it bold. You can also make it underline. If you want to make it italic, you can use this option. You can also use the uppercase, lowercase, and this is the title case. You can change the color of your font by selecting your favorite color. So in this way you can change the font in CapCut in PC. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.